Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In my previous video, I discussed the simple present tense in great detail. For every tense, there is a progressive form as well. So today I'm going to be discussing the present progressive tense. The present progressive tense is obviously used to talk about present actions in progress. Now we have two types of these actions. Actions that are in progress right now at the moment of speaking, like I'm sitting on this chair here in this room and recording this video. And also actions that are in progress these days, but not necessarily at the moment of speaking. For example, everyone in the world is talking about the passing of the Queen of England these days. Am I speaking about it right now? No. Are you? You aren't. But these days, this is an action in progress. You can use the present progressive tense to talk about future actions as well, but you have to use a future time word or expression. For example, we're going on vacation at the end of the month.
Alright, now let's discuss the structure of the present progressive tense. Starting off with affirmative statements. I am verb ing. You, we, they are verb ing. She, he, it is verb ing. I've written all the contracted versions as well. So basically, it would be like, I'm doing something, you're doing something, she is doing something. I'm wearing a gray t-shirt. You are listening to this grammar lesson. My friend and I are going camping on Saturday. Jacob is writing a new book. It's raining. Negative statements. I am not verb ing. You, we, they aren't verb ing. She, he, it is not verb ing. So I'm not doing something. You, we, they aren't doing something. She, he, it isn't doing something. I'm not planning to move. You aren't getting enough sleep these days. She isn't staying at an expensive hotel. They're not selling their apartment. Yes, no questions. Am I verb ing? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Are you, we, they verb ing? Yes, you, we, they are. No, you, we, they aren't. Is she, he, it verb ing? Yes, she, he, it is. No, she, he, it isn't. So, am I doing something? Are you, we, they doing something? Is she, he, it doing something? Am I turning left here? Checks the map. Yes, I am. Are you practicing English? Yes, we are. Is Penny singing? No, she isn't. WH questions. What am I verb ing? What are you, we, they verb ing? What is she, he, it verb ing? What am I doing? What are you doing? What is he doing? What are we doing tonight? Who is signing my paper? When is he coming home?
So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and let me know in the comments down below what you would like me to record next. Take care and bye!